Hello. So this video I want to show you how to create a Java GUI with JFrames. So we can use Swing, JFrames, and JPanel, and also some JButtons. But I want to do layout, so we want to focus on layout. Okay, so in Java we have for Swing, so let's say Swing, Java Swing Layout. Okay, so in Swing layouts we have flow layout, we have border layout, box layout, card layout, grid back layout, grid layout, group layout, and spring layout. Okay, so layout pretty much just the way that you want to organize how each components look on your Windows interface. So like border layout, center, line in, sometimes we call east, line start, sometimes we call west, page start, sometimes we call north, page in, sometimes we call south. So that's how you use border layout. So let me show you that one first. We're going to create a new project. So I'm going to name Swing Layout Demo. Of course, now we need to do extend JFrames. Okay, so I'm going to create a class to do extends JFrame. So we're going to say border layout. So extends JFrame. So we need to import JFrame. Right, so I'm going to write code in my constructor here. Okay, so again, when we dealing with JFrame, we need to set visible to true, and also we need to set dimension. So I'm going to make it 500 by 500 pixels. So if I do dimension, I have to do new dimension. So paths the width and height of the windows into dimensions class. Then this one is going to be set size. There's no such set dimensions. Alright, so now let's talk about layout. So I'm going to do new border layout like that. So we can set layout. So I choose set layout before set visibles. New border layout. So we set layout to JFrame. So that's why we call the method set layout. And we need to pretty much import border layout. But one thing about JFrame, Okay, the default should already be a border layout, which you don't need to set, but I just show you how to set it. Like you can change to different layout too from here. Now let's test. We gonna add some buttons. So I'm gonna create the JButtons as the attributes of this class. Okay. So I'm going to create 5 buttons. Import JButton. Make them all private. So if I have to create that much buttons, I normally can use array. But at this point, I just try to simplify the process here. Then you pretty much just going to be not confusing, because my focus here is just to show you how to set the layout. Okay. So that's why I just want to write it out, all the buttons. Alright, so got all the buttons. Now instantiate all the buttons, ready to use them. So we will use it when we try to add the buttons to the JFrame. So this is a key. You have to tell the location by accessing the border layout dot. You can do page start or not. Okay, so this is going to go to the top, and let's run that to see what we get first. To run this, I need to create a new class, which is going to include the main, and this class is going to use the Swing Border Layout class. So I'm going to name Swing Border Layout demo. Okay, so now I can just instantiate this Swing Border Layout. Right. GUI equals to new Swing Border Layout. Okay, so let's see. Right click and run this. So we get the buttons to the north of page start 1. Okay. Now I'm going to show you. I'm going to add the rest at the same time to each location. Pretty much just to page start, and then center, and then page in or south. That's the same thing. This is like after line in, right? So line in. So line in just like when you go to the east. Okay, so this is going to be line start. This is just like when you go to west. So run this program from the driver class right here. So that's it. So that's how we deal with border layout. Okay, so it depends on how you set the size of the frame. Okay. Alright. So thank you for watching.